Water is essential for life. We need it for drinking, for growing crops, but in many parts of the world, getting access to water can be a challenge. Fortunately, there's a solution: wind-powered water pumps. These devices use wind to pump water from underground sources. They offer a sustainable and eco-friendly way to bring water to those who need it most. Building your own wind-powered water pump might seem like a daunting task, but it's more achievable than you might think. Before you begin, it's important to gather all the necessary materials. Having everything at hand will ensure a smooth and efficient construction process. First, you'll need a wind turbine. This is the heart of your system, capturing the wind's energy. Wind turbines come in various sizes and designs. For pumping water, a relatively small turbine, perhaps with a diameter of 6 to 8 feet, should suffice for domestic needs. Next, you'll need a pump. There are several types of pumps suitable for wind-powered systems, including centrifugal pumps and positive displacement pumps. The choice depends on the depth of your water source and the amount of water you need to pump. Other essential materials include a tower to mount the turbine, a drive shaft to connect the turbine to the pump, and piping to carry the water. You'll also need a storage tank or reservoir to collect the pumped water. Now that you have all the necessary materials, it's time to start building your wind-powered water pump. Begin by selecting a suitable location for your wind turbine. The ideal spot should be exposed to consistent winds and free from obstructions. Install the tower securely in the ground. Carefully mount the wind turbine on top. Connect the turbine to the pump using a drive shaft. The drive shaft transmits rotational force to the pump. Now, install the pump. Connect the pump to the drive shaft and water source. Finally, connect the pump to a storage tank or reservoir. Section 4. How wind powers your pump. Understanding how wind energy is harnessed to pump water is key to appreciating the ingenuity of this technology. The process is surprisingly simple yet remarkably effective. It all starts with the wind turbine. When wind blows against the turbine's blades, it causes them to rotate. This rotation creates mechanical energy that's transferred down the drive shaft to the pump. The pump then uses this mechanical energy to lift water from the ground. Centrifugal pumps achieve this by spinning the water at high speeds, creating pressure that forces it upwards. Positive displacement pumps, on the other hand, use a piston or diaphragm to draw water into a chamber and then push it upwards. The pumped water then flows through the piping system and into the storage tank or reservoir, where it's ready for use. This entire process, from wind capture to water storage, happens without consuming any fossil fuels or producing harmful emissions. Section 5. The advantages of wind-powered water pumps. Wind-powered water pumps offer numerous benefits, making them a compelling solution for water access in many situations. First and foremost, they are environmentally friendly. Unlike diesel or electric pumps, wind-powered pumps produce no emissions during operation. This makes them a sustainable choice that reduces our reliance on fossil fuels and minimizes our impact on the planet. Secondly, wind-powered water pumps are cost-effective. While the initial investment might seem higher compared to other types of pumps, the long-term savings are substantial. Wind is a free and abundant resource, meaning no fuel costs for operation. This makes wind-powered pumps particularly attractive in areas where other energy sources are expensive or unreliable. Moreover, wind-powered water pumps are highly reliable. Once installed, they require minimal maintenance and can operate for years with proper care. The simplicity of their design makes them easy to repair, even in remote areas. Section 6. Conclusion. A sustainable future with wind. As we've seen, wind-powered water pumps offer a reliable and sustainable solution for accessing water in areas where it's needed most. They harness the power of nature to provide a clean and cost-effective alternative to traditional water pumping methods. By embracing this technology, we can help communities thrive while minimizing our impact on the environment. Wind-powered water pumps are not just about pumping water. They represent a step towards a more sustainable and equitable future where everyone has access to this precious resource. As we look towards a future powered by renewable energy, wind-powered water pumps stand as a beacon of hope. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to find sustainable solutions to global challenges. By investing in and promoting this technology, we can help create a world where clean water is accessible to all.